This is our latest design dust-free frame. There are 4 poles to help position the screen protector on the screen. Align the front camera with the top label on the frame. Then place the phone onto the frame and press it firmly to secure. Use the wet wipe to clean the screen. Use the dry wipe to dry the screen. Use the dust sticker to remove any remaining dust particles. Take out the screen protector. The screen protector has 4 holes designed to fit onto the poles of the frame. Flip the protector over and unfold the end of the strip. Then flip it back. Align Mark 1 with 2 holes. Align Mark 2 with the other 2 holes. Press Mark 2 and gently pull out the strip slowly to prevent the protector from falling onto the screen. Use the scraper to firmly press the film to adhere to the screen. Rotate the phone and press another section of the screen protector. Use another side of the scraper to press along the edges until they are completely secured. Finally, remove the assistant film to reveal a perfectly installed screen protector.